Hi everyone, we've got LG K42 and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer, and now it doesn't really matter if you will be on your dial, call logs, contacts or groups. All you have to do is simply tap on this three dots icon and tap on call settings. On the second position we've got call blocking and decline with message, so let's tap on it. And here we've got actually 4 different options connected to the call blocking. Let me ignore the very first one, which is decline with message, and let's focus on the blocked numbers, digit filter and private numbers. Let's begin with the very bottom of the list. Here we've got the private numbers option, which is now right now turned off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here, and from now on your device will be able to reject all the calls from private numbers. Of course you can turn it off by tapping on it again, but let me leave it turned on. Above it we've got the digit filter, so it means that your device will block the calls from the numbers which will have the the exact section at the start of the number or at the ending of the number. So after tapping here, you can tap on this plus icon, and here you can enter the number. So for example, if you'd like to block the numbers with 4 zeros at the end, simply tap 4 zeros and tap on match condition. Here you can tap on ends with, and as you can see, after tapping on block, all the numbers with 4 zeros at the end will be blocked. But let me get back. And now let's tap on the blocked numbers, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist. If you'd like to, which is right now empty obviously, if you'd like to add new number, just tap on this plus icon in the right upper corner, and here you can decide from which you'd like to add a number, so you can add it from your contact list, call logs or add new number manually. I will show you 2 different options, for example from the contacts and the new number. So let me begin with the contacts. Simply tap on it, and as you can see we just got transferred to our contact list, so we can find the contact you'd like to block. Simply tap on it, it is marked, so we can tap on done, and as you can see it immediately appears on our blacklist. Now let's add it manually. Just tap on this plus icon, tap on new number, and as you can see now we can manually add the number we want to block. Tap on block, and as you can see it also immediately appears on our blacklist. Of course you can unblock both of those numbers just by tapping on this trash bin icon and selecting the numbers you'd like to unblock and tap on remove. Tap on remove again, and as you can see they immediately disappear, so it means that from now on you will be able to receive all incoming calls and text messages from that numbers. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your LG K42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.